All right, today I'm going to work little bit more on the parking lot safety piece. And that's, oops, I'm getting a little problem here. Let me check. All right, before I fall off again. Anyway, I'm back for the parking lot. So, for you as a power wheelchair or manual wheelchair user through the parking lot, I have some suggestions. First of all, how you're, what you're wearing. You know, don't, you know, don't use dark clothes. Use something that's lighter clothes. Otherwise, you can use one of those sashes that are different colors. Somebody will see it. We're all will see it. Anyway, so that's one answer. Then the other one is hopefully there should be, if you're walking through the parking lot, because sometimes there's other stores and things on the other side of the parking lot. So I use I have to go through a parking lot sometimes to cut my hair. So then I have to use my power wheelchair through the parking lot. So I really have to be careful to make sure where I'm going. So make sure somebody doesn't run me over. So one of the things that helps, you either stay very, very close to the cars that are parked, or if not, in the really middle of all the parking lot cars. And if they're moving towards you, then either move yourself or let them know that you're coming out. So that's important. So that's one. So making sure you stay in the middle of the cars in the parking lot, wherever they are, so that they know that you're coming, you're on your way. So, and I have all kinds of little, little, what do I call those strips that are for in the back? They have those little open, those really bright tags for people seeing me. If I'm going through from the back, they'll see me from the red. I have it really red in the back, so they'll see it. So that's one thing. The other thing, if not, use a wheelchair in the middle of the cars parking. If the parking lot, if they move towards you, let them know. So as I was saying, the next one, if there's if there's a whole bunch of people, causing problems, and you're in the middle, move yourself out, and cover yourself behind a car. So really just get away. So move yourself where I've had that issue where there was some person who was in the store and didn't buy anything. It just grabbed a whole bunch of food and things and ran. And it was going through the parking lot. So I just ducked behind a car because I didn't want to get through in the middle of it. So it was the person that was that grabbed something from the store and was running away. And then there's the guy who worked there in the store, so he was after that guy. And then the police was on its way. So I was like, oh no. So I just ducked behind a car, and I just waited until things calmed down. So the police let me know when I could move and let me know what was going on and safe for me to go to the store. The police officer asked me if I knew what I knew. So I just tell the policeman what happened or what I saw, and that was it. And then I went over to the store and just, so it's that kind of thing. So just cover yourself. If another shrimp is, if there's a bunch of rockets and rocket going on, or some crazy guy doing something, or some other whole bunch of guys doing some crazy stuff, so just duck, stay away from it. We don't need it. So just sit there and cover yourself behind another car and just wait until things calms down. Makes sense? So just be careful. The other one is, if the police, after all that, wants to talk to you about that, that's okay. You just tell them, oh, they didn't see anything, they were behind the car, or they knew XYZ, so you just let them know. And then if you need to go to the store, then they'll let you know if it's okay. Okay? That makes sense. All right. If you have a power wheelchair and you're in the middle of the parking lot, the good thing is for you to have a cell phone. Just call for help, for somebody to call you, whether it's a policeman, whether it can be somebody who fixes your wheelchair, or can somebody in your house that can come to help you out with the wheelchair, or somebody else in the parking lot who can come and help you with the wheelchair. So those are just my suggestions for the parking lot, and you can make your own list to see what you feel is a good idea in a parking lot for you to be safe. Okay? So let's see what it comes out. Write up, something up for the community, and to see how these things might be helpful or not. I don't know. So these are my suggestions for a parking lot. So just be careful when you're going through a parking lot. Take care. And don't forget, for myself, Lisa, and I need a like. We all need a like or a subscribe, to add that, so that our channel will continue to grow. All right. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you, guess where, soon.